Hello everyone, today you have joined the CREATIVELK YouTube channel. How to add a page border in Microsoft Word. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing to and liking the video. Here we are in Microsoft Word. And so you want to go and add a page border. So this is really cool to do because you can then go and add an outline to the page. You can go and adjust how it goes and looks, whether it's multiple lines or just one. Of course, you can go and set the color to what you want. You can go and make it with art as well. And there are other ways you can customize it as well. So, any further ado, what you need to do is come into the document, and you need to come to the ribbon at the top where you've got these different options. What you need to do is come along and find the option for design. Then you want to come to the far right, and you can go and find the option for page borders, and you can go and click there, and this opens up. So what you need to do is you need to go to the page border at the top. Come to the left and choose the box. You can scroll through the different styles here and go and see. You could have a squiggly line, multiple lines, a thick and thin line, or a broken line. So, adjust it to your liking. Then you can come down to color and click there and choose the color you want. It could be black, red, or blue. You go and see the different options here. I'll just make it black for now. You can go and choose the width, which is the thickness of it. So, I can make it 6, for example. It may only be on half, I believe, when you first start. And you can add art, as I said. So, you can scroll through here and see different art you could go and use. So you can adjust that. I'll leave that to none, though. Then you can come to the right here and just go and choose where you want it applied. This section or the whole document. Then all you need to do is go and press OK, and it's then added. Leave a like if you found this useful.